Hey, hello everyone, and very good morning to all. So, welcome back to the channel. Today's blog gonna be very special, and today we'll show you my mobile blogging setup, how I am recording all my videos on my mobile phone, and what are the things I am using it for. I have this Joby tripod. Yeah, that's a small one, and that's fine. And I have ordered the complete set. This is a Dead Cat, and this is a Boya mic. Yeah, it's Boya BYMM1. uh, this is the Dead Cat which they have given it. I don't know why they are saying it as a Dead Cat. That's okay, totally fine. So it will help you during there's wind noise. So apart from that you can use it, and they do give one cable which where they have totally mentioned which one to connect it to your microphone and which one to you connect it to your smartphone. As I am using iPhone 11 Max Pro, so you need this cable, this converter cable, that's 3.5 mm to USB Type C. You have to put all those things over here, and most importantly phone. Okay, so you just have to lock it up. And what benefit it has, let me tell you guys. Hold your horse. It benefit is this, the horseshoe part. So what you can do, you just slide it inside. Can see. And to make it a golden one, just wait and watch, guys. Why you are in such a hurry? Let me tell you, let me show you. Let's keep this aside. I'll show you the main part. As I promised, can see what is this? Skyvik. You know what Skyvik is? Well, they're excellent manufacturer of mobile lenses. So I have recently ordered one Skyvik 18 mm wide angle, so which we will be putting out in the first camera of GoPro, which have 1x zoom. Wow, see the build quality, beautiful lens. To rotate this one, then again rotate. Wow, look at the camera quality, guys. Beautiful. Man, this is really a godly one. Anyways, that's totally okay. Well, most importantly, they do provide us a pin, which where you just have to mount your camera over this pin and put it over. That's totally okay. I have ordered a case for that. Yes, I forgot to tell you. This is a special case where you can mount all your lenses. You can see. Oh, you can mount all your lenses. So what you gonna do? See, it's pretty simple. Just put it down. Just do. So, just put it down. When anti-clockwise or clockwise, and it's set. So how you gonna shoot when there is a bright sunlight? So I have ordered a CPL filter to it. Lot of setup, guys. Well, that's really necessary when you are sitting outside, and it will really give you a bright color, and you can really distinguish between those things. So this is a CPL filter which I have ordered it. It's circular polarizing filter. CPL means circular polarizing filter. So how you gonna set it? Just put it over this one. Okay. It's pretty smooth. Dan, tell me, does it looks professional or not? And coming to shooting part. Okay, well, let me show you. This is how it's gonna look like. See, can you see the wide angle? The color contrast is coming very good outside, just because we are sitting inside the room, so we cannot distinguish, but I will definitely take snap videos and I'll put it up, so that it will be helpful for you all guys to distinguish what is the benefit of it. Okay, so this is basically the complete setup, guys. The complete setup. Guys, now you can see this is 18mm wide angle lens with the CPL filter, which I mentioned it to you. The sun rays are really bright enough. I can see the video quality with such a bright environment. Well, now I'll remove this filter and let me show you how it's coming out. Now you can see this is without any lens, with the same configurations. You can distinguish between the wide angle and the color clarity. Yeah. Right now we are shooting on my mobile itself with 18mm wide angle as well as EPL filter that's attached to it, the one which I have shown it to you. And I have used this Boya mic. It's like see, it's cost effective, and the mic quality is really good. You can definitely go for a Rode mic if that comes under your budget, and every mic is good for specifically when you are doing a mobile blogging. And if you wanted that kind of setup, then that level of professional one, then you can definitely go for a Rode mic. And you too can use that Rode wireless mic also in these things. So in future, in the coming blogs itself, I'll do testing of Rode mic as well as the wired as well as the wireless one. So I'll tell you the sound quality, what is the difference about it, and how best you can manage all those things. And well guys, if you really like this video, please do like, share and subscribe among your friends and families. The more you support this channel and to me, the more confidence you're gonna give it to me, and so that it will boost my morale to bring out such lovely content in front of you. And do comment out what exactly you like in these videos, and what more we can come up with. And if you wanted any other videos like to test it on the Rode mic, so do let me know itself, that wire as well as wireless one. And let me tell you that why I went for a Boya mic. It's cost effective. Specifically, we cannot allow all the YouTubers or bloggers to go for a costly setup. So the setup which I showed it to you, it's very cost effective. That Boya mic would be costing you around $1,900, and the Joby tripod is a bit costly part, but there are other tripods which you can got it in $399, $499, depending on the things which you really need. I went for a Joby because the Joby's build quality is really good. And specifically when you're shooting on a mobile, you really need a lens. So I would suggest Skyvik 18mm wide angle. That's really great. You can see the kind of wide angle it is coming up in just 1x zoom of iPhone 11 Pro Max. And with that CPL filter, that circular polarizing filter, you can achieve a lot more, specifically during the sunlight itself, not inside the room, because here you have lighting. Anyways, so let's end the blog over here. Signing off from your Bikers Insider, Ashish Manthi. Jai Jagat.